guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your text into photorealistic AI images on Canva. Go to apps, and if you haven't scroll down as far as I have, sorry, just Imagen, open, and once you're done, you are just going to submit a text prompt to generate images. For instance, you want to type in a pink Barbie land. Okay, maybe a pink princess land. You can also try an example. And then I am just going to type in generate, and it will generate the image for you. I think they have another one where you can choose the style, the art style of the image. But it, as you can see, generated a pink princess land. Okay, maybe I have to be more specific, a pink aisle, a pink aisle mansion, a pink mansion. I want to generate a pink mansion without the princess on it, just to see what they generate. Okay, so select the image, and then it will be added to your canvas. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!